Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but welcome back to my channel. These are some clips that I filmed in New York when we went during the summer of 2018. I hope you enjoy it. As you can see, this flight was very late at night, so as soon as we landed in New York, we went straight to the hotel to sleep. So the next day, we woke up and we took a subway to just tour New York. By the way, sorry for the bad filming quality, this was filmed on my phone. So this was when we got off the subway and we were just gonna walk around. So this is New York Times Square, and here I let you guys listen to the noisiness of it and how crazy and upbeat it is. I love it. So we are going to the Statue of Liberty, and we're going to take a boat to Ellis Island. Ignore that big ugly voice crack I just had. I was losing my voice then because I was sick. So anyways, we were just on a boat to Ellis Island to see the Statue of Liberty. So that is the Manhattan skyline, and I was just admiring how gorgeous it looks. I've already seen the Statue of Liberty once, but I was really young, so it was really cool to see it again. So this is where we left Ellis Island because we were getting really bored. We got off the boat and we ended up walking on the Brooklyn Bridge, but all I got were some pictures. Twin Towers in the World Trade Center Museum. So this was a small clip of us in the World Trade Center Museum looking at all the 9/11 facts and stories. So from New York, we drove to New Jersey and we explored a little bit of New Jersey. So from New Jersey, we went back to New York and we went to the M&M factory. It was huge and there were so many colors in front of my eyes. This is Highland Park. So I don't know why I said Highland Park, but it's actually Highline Park. It's basically greenery on what used to be the New York Central Railroad, so that's why there's remnants of the rail track. That's what I'm talking about in this clip. You can see the little railroad that all the scenery has covered. So this is Highland Park. So we're just eating at a food cart and taking a break for a little bit. After eating, my plan was to go get snow cones with the sore throat that I had. So that was the hotel that we stayed at, and this was our last day in New York. This hotel was right opposite Penn Station, which was really convenient, so I definitely recommend staying at that hotel. Thank you for watching, and as always, like and subscribe. From now on, I will try to post more often. Bye!